vlog. Ilang days pa lang ako. Nararamdaman ko na yung gastos. Ang laki ng gastos ko. Guys, ang daming gwapo dito. Diyos ko, hindi kayo mauubusan. Kahit driver, pwede na. Kung di mo yung namamalimos, pwede na eh. Iaahon ko silang lahat sa hirap. Next time I'll be here, it will be full backpacking. Luxury shopping, backpacking muna. Last na to. I'll find a way. I'll make sure that I'll be working here by next year. I'll be here, guys. Okay, my train is here. Again, I'm at the train station now in the Central, going to Brussels, Belgium. I have connecting in Antwerp. My God, pawis na pawis ako, itsura ko. Now I'm on my way to Belgium. See you guys. I'm now in Belgium. I'm in Antwerp, maybe around 20 more minutes before I reach Brussels. But I just want to update you. I don't see any difference with Belgium and Netherlands. Maybe because they're next to each other. Hello! So I just arrived here in Belgium. I'm in Antwerp. I'm transferring to another train going to Brussels North, or the northern part of Brussels.
De Wolkenhalte is Mechelen.
Paid first class for this. Siguro yung susunod na punta ko ng Europe, talagang full backpacking lang ako. Mag-aalat ako ng budget ko per day para matipid. Kasi ngayon, Diyos ko, ilang days pa lang ako. Nararamdaman ko na yung gastos. Ang laki ng gastos ko. Amsterdam alone, sobrang laki na. Parang kung sa peso, aabot na yata ng 100,000. Imagine, wala naman masyado ng pamili. Magastos lang talaga ako. So next time I'll be here, it will be full backpacking. At least, ngayon alam ko na. So it goes with all of the country here sa Europe na plano kong puntahan, like Germany, Switzerland, Spain, Italy, and whatever country that I can think of aside from France, Netherlands and Belgium. So bahala na in the future. Backpacking lang tayo, B. Mga king in-immerse, wala muna tayong luxury shopping. Backpacking muna. Last na to. Yung sa Paris na trip ko ngayon, last na yun yung pamimili kong yun. After nun, never na ako mamimili. Mag-save na ako ulit for Europe. Bye! Say hi to my vlog!
Hi! Hi, vlog!
Hi, vlog! Papunta tayo saan tayo papunta? Yung pangalan, 7-10. Sa lugar nila, sa kanila ako mag-i-stay. Kikay ko nasan ka man, manahimik ka dyan.
Nanawagan kami kay Kika.
Magparamdam ka, galawin mo ang baso. Look, ang lamig. It's around 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm having breakfast. Filipino breakfast, first time in Europe. Kasi nangag bacon and egg. Okay, so now I'm going to take a shower. Here's the toilet. With a view of the outside. Wow! Hi guys! It's a cloudy morning. It's very cold. Ang lamig, pero I'm loving it. I'm actually considering working here. I'm just checking the legal precautions that I have to take into consideration of living and working in the EU. I like it here, really. So calm, so relaxed, so laid back, no stress. There's work-life balance. You only have to work 38 to 40 hours per week with higher pay. And I'm considering it now. Look, it's so beautiful. Even the houses, look. That's my friend's car. And I'm staying in her house. Later we'll go to the city center. It's cold outside. Hi guys. So now I'm going to Brussels. I'm here in Flanders in Zaventem. Hi Tita! Hi Mommy Eva! Paparating na ang tren. Ganda. Parang na naman ako nasa Disney Castle. Oh. May dragon siguro nakatulad. I'm now in Brussels Central Sky. I'm going out, maybe to see the Grand Plaza and the Royal Palace. And I don't know. Wish me luck. Sana hindi ako manakawan.
Di ba?
Agora Market, di ba sa San Juan yan? That's Mannequin Peace. Guys, ang daming gwapo dito. Diyos ko, hindi kayo mauubusan. Kahit driver, pwede na. Kung di mo yung namamalimos, pwede na eh. Iaahon ko silang lahat sa hirap. All the structures are very nice. Ang ganda dito. I'll find a way. I'll make sure that I'll be working here by next year. Crossing fingers, by next year. I'll be here, guys. May umuupa pa rin. Ano yun? Ah, mall.
Hindi siya mall.
Walang trend dito. Ay, walang trend. Walang metro. Wala sa ilalim lahat.
Oo, nasa ilalim lahat.
Oh.
Vamos a ir a seco. Vamos a seco.
Sarado yata yan. B, ahas ka? Ahas ka yata eh. Ang ganda dito. Diyos ko. Pwede. Anong oras na ba?
3:30.
Ganda dito, no? Bago ka lang dito?
Opo.
Pizza. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. It's a new day. It's a new life. Kaya nga, gwapo pa nung kumakanta. Brussels Central Station. There's a monument over there. I have to check. Shine bright like a diamond. Hindi ba grapes yung nasa gilid? Yung mga gumagapang na to sa taas. And I'm feeling good.
Ay, may bagong kasama.
Hindi ka sumusunod.
Wala.
Dapat sumusunod siya eh.
Wala.
Gusto ko ang camera ko. Ayan oo.
Kanina
Oh, sumusunod siya sa akin oh.
Kanina wala.
Ayan o. Di ba kahit ganito lang ang ganda ng pasyalan, hindi mo na kailangan magbayad ng mga entrance. Mahilig talaga sila sa Europe sa mga plaza, no? Pansin ko, kahit dun sa ano eh, sa Holland, daming plaza. So now we're going to the Royal Palace. This is the park. And I'm so tired. Whew, pagod. I think this is the Royal Palace. Ayan yon. Oh. Central Station. Food trip muna tayo sa Tagulan. We're going to Atomium. Ito yung number 5. Oh, back to back sila, oh. Yeah, this is Atomium. And that one is, I don't know. What's that? Here's number 5. Puro silihan lang. Ang galing, no? Ah, silihan talaga siya, no? Pero may silihan din naman sa Brussels.
Ano?
Sa Brussels may silihan.